Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm doing a sound demo video for you today. It's to accompany one of our Etsy listings, and it's for this beautiful buffalo skin shamanic drum just here. It's on a 16-inch frame. The frame is made from ash wood. If I turn it over, you can see it's got a lovely branch handle on the back, and it's laced with artificial sinew. I put some information on the inside of the drum frame here. Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark. Birthed on the 16th of February 2023. Night in Paris, UK. That's for your astrological information. And ash and horse as well. So you've always got that. Oh, I put ash and horse. It's ash and buffalo. Oh, that's a bit funny. Okay, so this drum has got the wrong information on the inside of the frame, but you will know that because you will always remember, oh, that's not right. Okay, I'm sorry about that. There's nothing I can do really to change this apart from really awkwardly try to sand all of that information off there, but I'm going to leave it on there. It's unique, it's different. You'll just always have to remember it's a buffalo skin. Here we go. I'm going to play with a soft beater. I'm going to swap over and I'm going to use a firmer beater halfway through. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, this is a very thick skin on this drum. It's a very thick buffalo skin, so it's a little bit on the heavier side than it probably would be normally, but it has got a beautiful, rich, thick sound. Here we go. The firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's going to help you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing the right drum for you. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.